Hello everyone, welcome to day 9 of 30 days Excel challenge. So this is our regular sales data. We have been working since 1 week. So today I just wanted to introduce you some new concepts in Microsoft Excel. This session is somewhat a pretty easy session when you compare it to all other sessions. See, this is the data I'm having, like customer name, product, sales, location, and brand. Out of these columns, customer name, sales, brand, location, all these columns are having textual data, like price is having numerical data, quantity is having numerical data, sales is also having numerical data. So apart from these three columns, all other columns are having textual data. So let us know how can we manipulate the data if a data has text in it. So what kind of different operations can we perform, what kind of formulas can we do. Suppose from the entire customer name, as you can see, it is Hrithik space Roshan, Akshay space Kumar, at the same time Anushka space Sharma, like such formation is there, right? Suppose if I wanted to segregate only the first names, I don't want the second name. Now how can I do that? So let us see how can we do that. So I am creating a column with first name as a header. Now you can see I just type Hrithik here. Hrithik, yeah, this is the spelling, and Akshay. So even before I have completed my typing, the Excel is auto suggesting me. Excel is automatically giving me what I am trying to do. It is helping me actually. So let us see here also, instead of Akshay Kumar, for Akshay Kumar it is giving me the first name suggestion. Anushka Sharma, it has given me Anushka as a suggestion. Darshan, it has given me Darshan as a suggestion. Dulkar Salman, it has given me Dulkar as a suggestion. So in the same way, if I press enter here, the Excel will take the values into the sheet. So this formula, this kind of working out, this feature is called as flash filling. So if that flash filling is not enabled, you can enable it by pressing Ctrl plus C. Sometimes Excel does not recognize the patterns by default. Then you can press Ctrl E. Then it will automatically catch your pattern and it will fill the sheet. Now the thing is, as you can see, I just wanted to update this first name to I have updated this first column to Pavan Kalyan. As you can see, my customer name is Pavan Kalyan, and actually the first name here, it is still showing Hrithik. So even after I have updated this customer name, the first name did not get updated. This is a big flaw. So what we have to do is, so even though flash filling helps us, it is still a static kind of thing. It is not a dynamic. If our source data changes, it does not change. So actually it's a big flaw. So what we can do instead, so I'm just deleting it. We have an option to write a formula. There is one important formula, beautiful formula. That formula name is left. So if you write the formula left and open braces, you can select whatever the text you want to be. What this formula does is, actually it takes the text and if I give 6 here, it will calculate 6 letters from starting from left to right, and after at 6th letter it break it. You got my point? Here I want the first name, right? Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 Pavan, after Pavan, so I just want Pavan to be separated from Pavan Kalyan name. So I just write left, column name, left, sorry, text name. I have given the text here. After that I have given 5. So let us see. It has clearly understood my instructions and it has taken that. But as you can see, in the next row, what has happened from Akshay Kumar also, it has just taken only 5 letters. From Anushka also, it has taken only 5 letters. Actually, as you can see, this is not the Akshay Kumar's first name. Akshay is the Akshay Kumar's first name. Anush is not the Anushka Sharma's first name. Anushka is the Anushka Sharma's first name, right? So here also we are getting errors. So what is the way out? What can we do here? Excuse me. So now there is another important feature in Microsoft Excel. Suppose you want this column to be separated, segregated, right? Click this column, go to data, go to option called as text to columns option is there, right? Select this option, an interface will appear. So there will be two options. The first option will be fixed width. You can deal with the fixed width by writing formulas also. Fixed width is nothing but you can separate based on number of characters. So that thing we can do even by formula too, right? So now the thing is formula is not working for our situation. So I have selected the option delimited. You can click next. As you can see, there are a lot of options available. See, tab is there, semicolon is there, comma is there, space is there. Let us understand what does delimiter mean so that you can use it at the best. So here the column, in our column, two words are getting separated by space, right? That space is delimiter here. So let us click space here. Then each word, the entire column will get divided into two columns. What and all the letters that appear before the space will be kept in one column. What and all the letters that appear after the space will be kept in another column. This is how the formula works. So click next here. Here it will ask you the format. Keep text. Since you are working with the text column, keep it text. Now it will ask you where you wanted to see your final data or final result. Delete this. I just wanted to see my final result here or from here. So I just click finish. So automatically see this is my first name, this is my last name. The beauty of this thing is, suppose next if you write Ram Charan here, Ram space Charan. So still now it did not happen. Still now this is also dynamic. This is not a dynamic formula. This is also a static formula. This is also this will also create a lot of problem for me in the data analytics. Now what is the way out? So I have tried writing the formula, then it is also giving me a problem. I have tried flash filling feature, then also it show me some kind of problem is there. And now I have tried delimiter function, now also I'm getting problem. So what would you think the way out is? So there is absolutely a way out for this. I'll discuss it in the further sessions. Now let us concentrate on these things. So just know about these things so that you can get to know in future. What is the way out for that? Now the thing is, I just wanted to explain another formula. The name of the formula is right, actually, RIGHT. Suppose if you write right formula, suppose from the Pavan, from Kalyan, from the name, last name Kalyan, if you wanted to extract last three characters, you can select the name, press space. If you click 3, last 3 characters or last 3 letters will be extracted from that name. As you can see, YAN, MAR. In the same way, if you wanted to extract 5 characters, press 5 instead. Like such, you can do whatever, you can extract whatever characters you wanted to extract from this. So if you write a formula, that is a dynamic. If the source cell changes, this will also changes. Suppose if I change this to Ram, last 3 characters is from Rampal, last 5 characters is AMPAL. So it is dynamic. Writing the formula, we can actually create dynamic results, but using the delimiter or using the flash fill, we cannot generate dynamic results. So we have seen that earlier, right? So this is another formula. Suppose you wanted to mix, you wanted to join these both things. Now you can join them by using a formula called as Concat. I'm writing it here. I just don't want to disturb the table format. So if I press Concat here, if I just select these 2 cells, now automatically these 2 cells will get attached to each other. This is another formula, you can use it. So these are the functions which are relating to the text we can play with. Each function has its own advantage and its own disadvantage. So don't just go by the narrow way of taking a formula and using that every time. Just learn all these things. Based on the situation, you can use the formula. And I'll suggest you a way out. I can tell you the main problem here is most of the formulas cannot act as a solution in our situation. whatever the formula you use, there is some or other problem in some or other cases. So what I will teach you is, while I teach you Power Query, I will explain you how to deal with like these situations so that you can come to know. Thank you very much. Have a great day.